Alright guys, this is the next project at hand. We are taking this room here, you guys. This is a tan flat paint. You know, it's still got a little bit of stuff sitting. And as you can see, we're going white. Focus, focus, focus. My trim work is gonna be black, but I'm finna catch my corners. And I do this for spots. I had some black heavy spots here. I think it was mascara or something for one of the nieces, but we did plug that in. It's for you to get a full overview. I'm getting ready to take the curtains down. And I got some of my stuff on the bed. But this space is becoming white. Like I say, the trim will be black. Once we do that, we're gonna get it all painted and put the curtains up. The carpet should be here in about 3 days. So I wanna get this done and finished. Hang my curtains and carpet 3 days, furniture 9 days. As right now, our go time. But we're gonna get this room done. I'm gonna replace the blinds as well. Gonna clean the ceiling fan, and more likely than not, we are changing that as well. But this is my space. Drop me a comment if you can see what she is gonna be becoming. And if you also, leave me a comment. What do you think the type of style that is actually gonna go in this space? I've told you the color is gonna be black, white, and silver. But tell me if you think you can nail the style. All right, you guys, we have the lamp for the space. We have one of the bedspreads for the space and sheets. So we're gonna set up the lamp, maybe later. And we're gonna pull this out, and this is the chair for the space. So let's get the decorating. We're trying to hold it and work at the same time. How about I sit it there? See the lamp? There's that gorgeous lamp. My sister say it's too small. We're gonna set it together. Drop me a comments, small or okay, in the comments. Let my sister know that that is a perfect size for the space. Guys, we put the lamps in. Now, this is what I told my sister. I didn't want oversized lamps because I did not want it to compete with the headboard. But look at that. And the bedding is gonna change too. When we ordered this and put it on the bed, on the screen, this looked at white, but it's actually not. It's more of a silver. It comes off, to her, she thinks it's kind of an off-white, but we do have the correct bedding. We're gonna do that, and I gotta add in the pillows. And let's adjust this. See that, you guys? Now, drop me a comment. Short or okay. Then I know you're talking about the lamps. Now, let me know if you like the bedding. Now, any of the pieces in the nightstands, I could link those for you. with one of my local stores, but it's not just local, it's almost going to be local to anyone because these are Ashley Furniture signature pieces. But look at that, you guys. And we're going to change this because it's giving off that soft white, which is that yellow hue. But look at them. Now we're going to work on taking this out with my chair here. Now, you may not can't tell it. I hope you can, you guys. I painted all the walls white, and all of my trim work is black. When I say gorgeous, these are 9.5 foot ceilings. I do have the thick crown molding in the space, but this is phase one. The picture that goes here, you guys, it is actually on back order. If I don't get a confirmation of when I'm going to get it within the next 3 to 4 days, in the process I am looking for something else. But the picture, I'm going to include it somewhere on the screen so you can see what the idea was to go up there. Once we do that, you know, I am going to come back because I am looking for unique pieces to go over here that's still on the scale of mirrors that's going to go this way. I am also waiting on picture lights. I did order 3 for the space, and we're going to tie it in. I may need to do 4 for the picture that's going here because, you guys, the picture that I ordered for the headboard, it is actually the whole length of this bed that's just gonna sit there. Look on the link. Let me know if looking at the picture if it's yay or nay. Say picture's okay, picture's not okay, but talk to me down in the comments. Now, you guys, these are those waterfall valance swag valances, plus I did do a black and a white velvet drape. I was going to add in one more black, but I'm telling you guys, when I say gorgeous, this is gorgeous. This is the beading that's on it. I hope you can see the beautiful details in this piece. And as you see it close up, no, we did not iron it. I just hung it straight up. But look at that, you guys. When I say gorgeous, I mean gorgeous. It's all coming together. Now, I'm going to get that out the way. But after I pull this out, and you guys, if you know your girl, drop me a comment, pause this video. Tell me what color you think this chair is. Because this will go here. You see our accolade vase from Z Gallery. I got my picks coming for it, and we're finna to tidy this up. Like I said, I do have to adjust this, and we're setting all of the space up. But look how gorgeous the pictures are. And like I say, I will let you know where everything come from, and you're gonna be shocked because no matter where your location is, you guys, these are pieces that you can get. I had to do a voiceover on this segment. I am getting ready to pull out my chair. I will be checking those comments to see what color you guys think I am making, what color the chair is, you guys. And this piece did come from Amazon. Once again, I will link all of the pieces down in the description box. So we're just going to open it, get it out the box, and we are probably at this point, we are about 80% finished with the room space. I will let you guys know it has been a total of 5 days at least, and I still don't have a shipment date for the picture that's supposed to go at the head of the bed. So I'm going to tell you, your girl come up with something altogether different, and you will see that not in this video, you guys, but the next video, because we had to order something else different, and I'm going to let you see. But I'm going to tell you, I am loving the outcome of what we are going to do. I did start it. I just needed some more to complete the look, and that's all I'm going to say. But you guys, here's that chair. Now you guys, this is actually a 2-piece set. It is the chair with the ottoman, and the ottoman does have storage. It is a beautiful chair, you guys. And here my niece, excuse me, you guys, my voice is still going in and out since I've been sick. But here's my niece coming into the space. And you guys, if I didn't tell you guys, this is my sister's home. We are fully redoing her entire home. We have already completed 3 spaces, and you're going to be getting the videos for that coming as well. But we were talking about the lamp. She did say she liked the lamp. And here, my niece here, this is my sister's daughter's daughter. Now, which is my niece. Now, my niece has 4 children. All 4 of her children has an eye for decor. So I told my niece, even my sister, I said those gifts need to be perfected, because when I'm decorating and stuff, I can bring any one of them in the space and they catch all of the details. They can walk in a space and see everything that you've done differently, but they have a great eye for detail. She did love the chair as well. So we're just having a little bit of chopping up a little bit of conversation about what we're going to eat for dinner. That's all. But we're going to go ahead and finish the space. Let me know when you see the full detail of how you think the chair looks. When I'm decorating for someone else, I let them pick out their pieces. My sister did pick out the bed and the nightstand, and I come back and catch the accessories to tie the whole space together. Here's the chair. I did order the chair from Amazon, and I chose this particular chair, number 1, because it is that new plush on the fabric, because I wanted different textures in the space. This is velvet. The nightstands is velvet. The curtains are actually velvet. But when you look at them, they all give you different textures. So, here's that chair. And look at that. And we went that route. And she's going to sit here. Yeah? Well, whether you like it or not, we like it. Well, let's set the chair up. You guys, this is the chair in the space. And I was adjusting it. Wanted it to sit this way. I'm showing you different angles. The ottoman is still pushed under. We can take it out. And let's store the handle back in. Different look.